Welcome to Coffee and Tarot with Mama T. My name is Teresa, and we are going to do another unboxing. This one is the Magical Hours Tarot, and it comes in this nice box. This was not an expensive purchase. This is a mass market US Games deck. No matter how you put it on your shelf, you'll be able to see what it is. Looks like it's got a nice size book. Oh, it's a full color book, so that's nice. It's nice to be able to find the cards when you are, if you have a question about your cards. But I think this is probably a yeah, it's very similar to an RWS, so shouldn't require looking at the book if you are not a beginner. But it's nice to have that nice book if you are a beginner. It has one of these boxes on the inside, which I completely hate. I either have weak, brittle nails that are hard to, open things with, or I'm wearing fake fingernails that are hard to open things with. So I don't like those kind of boxes. I may just leave it out. Okay, so let's have a look here. This is the back. It's a very pretty. I always, the backs I really just love. If the backs of a deck are ugly, it's almost a deal breaker for me. It's got a nice, typical weight for a US Games card, typical card stock. It's a little bit shiny. I prefer a matte card, of course, especially when you're doing a video. But this is a great Fool card. I like this. There's certain cards that are really important to me. The Fool card is one of them. Oh, I love the Magician. Very mysterious. The High Priestess is a little strange. But, having her eyes covered, I guess that sort of makes sense. The Empress is not my jam, but, she is surrounded by a bunch of flowers, so that does make her look more fertile. All right, the dogs are beckoning. Okay, and we're back. Okay, the Emperor. So some of these, this art is very whimsical. And some of it is very modern day. So I think that I definitely think I'm going to like this a lot. The Hierophant. The Two of Cups, I like this a lot. That Three of Cups is beautiful. The Chariot. The Four of Cups. Love that. Strength. The Five of Cups. I like the boat in her hair. The Hermit is another one that is important to me. This is very whimsical. A little more whimsical than I would normally think of for the Eight of Cups, but I like it. I mean, the original meaning of it doesn't really seem to carry through on there, but if you know what it means. I like that Hanged Man. The Nine of Cups, she looks a little, she doesn't look super happy like you would expect from a Nine of Cups. And also the sword, the crows in the background. In other decks that I have, they represent swords, so that's kind of a little bit of a disconnect for me mentally. But again, if you know that this is a cup of wishes fulfilled and happiness, then a card of wishes fulfilled and happiness, then that's okay. The Page of Cups, I like that Page of Cups. That's a great Tower card. There's a lot of detail in these to be able to examine while you are reviewing your cards for the day. The World. I love the Three of Swords. And this world, I like this portal of flowers that she's going through. And being reborn at the same time. It's a great Six of Swords. That's a neat Seven of Swords too. Six of Wands, that's beautiful. That's an awesome Eight of Swords. The Nine of Swords, that really captures it. That's good. That Eight of Wands with all of these letters and symbols coming in to her heart. I like that. Ten of Wands, yeah, that weary expression on her face that captures it. Page of Wands, that's nice. Oh, I like that Knight of Wands. I'm going to have to think about this Queen of Swords and whether I like it or not. I like the Queen of Wands. She's got her cat, her sunflowers. Two of Pentacles. That Four of Pentacles is good. It's a good Five of Pentacles. That's a good Seven. That's a good Eight too. That's the cover of the deck. That's beautiful. Yeah, I really like these Pentacles cards. The Queen of Pentacles, she's got a sunflower that belongs to the Queen of Wands. She's got a bunny rabbit, though. That's appropriate. Okay. Yeah, I like these overall. Let's squish these together and do a quick sample reading. See how they shuffle. That was the very first shuffle on this deck, so my battery's about to go dead on my phone here, so I won't do a sample reading because my battery is going to die any second now. But yeah, overall, really nice deck. I'm happy with it. It's a good price. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel. I am trying to get to 100 subscribers, and when I do, I will be gifting a tarot reading to a random subscriber from my community. I'll just need to know that you're here, so leave a comment or make sure your subscriber list is public. Thanks again for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye now.